To begin searching in SPORTDiscus, you will need to break your topic into keywords. For example, if we are investigating whether or not there is a correlation between wearable technology and physical activity, we would enter wearable technology in the first box and physical activity in the second. Then click Search. This gives us about 170 results, which is pretty good, but we can continue to hone in on more relevant results by using the Refine Results tab on the left side of the screen. You can use the publication date to limit your results to the last 5 years. Need peer-reviewed research? Limit your results to academic journals. You can continue to refine results by taking a closer look at the titles and subject terms to see if anything pops out. This can help you find helpful keywords. For example, the second article is about women, and if this is what we really want to focus on, we can add it as a keyword in the search boxes above. Once you find an article that sounds interesting, click the title to learn more. This pulls up the record page, which can help you decide if you should read the entire article. Check out the subject terms, keywords, and abstract to see if the article sounds relevant to your interests. You can use the tools on the right side of the record page to do a lot of helpful things, like email the article's information in PDF to yourself, get a full text citation of the article in the style of your choice, add the article to a folder, which can be useful if you need several articles because you can email the entire folder to yourself, or get a reliable URL of the article. If you decide the source is relevant, there are a couple of ways to read the full text. For many articles, in the upper left corner of the record page beneath Detailed Record, there's a PDF full text option. Here you can read the article, or click the download button in the top right corner to save it and read later. In some cases, instead of a PDF button, you'll see an article linker check for full text icon. This button will search other USU databases for full text access. Click to open the resource in a new window. Then find the PDF icon on the new record page to read. If we don't have full text access, you'll be directed to a page where you can request the article for free from Interlibrary Loan. Remember, if you need help, you can always ask a librarian.